Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this session, I will explain how to create or how to schedule a meeting using Google Meet. So Google Meet is a open source offered by Google. In order to create a meeting or schedule a meeting, you need a Gmail account. So first here click Google Meet. The first link here you can see Meet Google and click on this. Here you can see two options, join a meeting or start a meeting, and this is also start a meeting or enter meeting code. So whenever you want to join other meeting, then you will ask code for the owner. So that code here you will enter the code will be look like this and click on join. If you want to start a meeting of your own, click start a meeting and it will ask for Gmail account. Enter your password and your credentials. Automatically it will go to your Google Meet window. Okay. Now you can share with your colleagues or students with this link. So here you can see, select this and copy it and share to your students. Start meeting in the sense you can start the meeting immediately. Just wait, my students will join. So when someone joins, asks to join in our meeting like this one, so if you want to deny that person or if you want to admit that person, so I am clicking admit. So automatically Swapna join in this Google meeting. So this is the way of creating. Here you can see the number of participants in this window, and you can also chat one another as a owner. Here you are the owner of this meeting, and also you can share the screen to the presentees. Suppose if you want to share your screen, click on present now. So present now, you want to present your entire screen or a window or only tab, whatever you like. Suppose I want to share my entire screen, so click on your entire screen. So share your entire screen. So automatically you can share your screen to your participants, and you can also chat with the participants. So and also here you can see the layout options, and also you can turn the captions, turn on captions, and also you can change the settings here, the video and audio options, as well as if you want to, if you have any problem, simply click on report a problem. You can see the captions here. Okay. So if you want to turn off, simply turn off captions. And if you want to share the screen to the participants, as I already told, simply select and share. Automatically my screen is sharing to the persons. So here you can see I am as a presenter, I am sharing my screen as well as the participant Swapna viewing this particular screen. If you want to stop presenting the screen, simply clicking stop sharing. Now you want to play a PPT to your students. Simply click on here, and for example I want to open a PPT. Suppose I want to play a PPT to my students. So simply Python PPTs and introduction to Python. My screen is visible to all my participants who are joined in this meeting. Okay, in this manner you can share your PPT to your participants. So all the participants can view my screen. So this is the one way of creating Google Meet. So it's an immediate creation. So whenever you want to create an immediate, simply you can send the code. Now you want to stop sharing your screen. Okay, simply click on stop sharing. Automatically you can see only as a presenter and the participants Swapna will be available here. And you can also chat something to other persons. Okay, simply you can send the messages. Whatever you want to say, you can send the message. So this is the way of creating a Google Meet. Now we want to leave the meeting. Simply click on this red button. Automatically the meeting let off. So simply by clicking. Okay, so this is the way of creating a Google Meet. Okay, in the next I want to explain how to schedule a meeting. Okay, so in order to schedule a meeting, go to apps and click on calendar. Suppose I want to schedule a meeting on 18th July. In this 18th July, what is the time of schedule the meeting is? So for example, I want to schedule a meeting at 3 to 4. So the title is computer class. Okay, some 3 to 4. Add Google Meet video conferencing, and also you can add some participants as a guests. And click on save. If you want to send invitation to Google Calendar guests, send it. Okay, so if you want to see the meeting schedule, again click on this, and now you can share this meeting ID to the participants. So here you can see the symbol copy conference link. Simply copy and compose so message. The meeting scheduled on some 18th July, and you can send to the participants. Suppose if you want to email guests, so again, suppose if you want to another person, join to my meeting, something, send it. So automatically you will receive like this mail. So Chhatrapati 2006 computer class, join to meeting computer class. This is the meeting link. So the meeting scheduled is 18th July 2020, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. In this way, you can join a meeting, you can create a meeting, or you can schedule a meeting, or you can join others meeting by using this code. Thank you.